Subscribe to our channel today. Make money happen. No?
When money talks, I listen. When money talks,
You love money. You hate money. 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 This is the Make Happen method.
when money talks, I listen. When money talks, honey, you're gonna listen.
So yes, as a open-minded creative, you have got, well, I'm fairly certain you have got all sorts of nonsense going on around money. Ranging from it's something evil to something unavailable and elusive, to you hate people that have got it, to you admire people that have got it, to that you don't have enough, to that you have to do horrible things to earn it. We've all got rubbish going on about money, and what's more is quite often those things are in conflict. So you hate money, you love money, you hate money, you love money, you hate money. As creatives, we get caught up in this double bind of resisting money. You know, we've sold out, money's dirty and all that nonsense, but also in wanting and needing money and then feeling guilty about that. So in the Make Happen method, we have a solution, the allowing polarity.
Allowing is a key distinction in the Make Happen method. When we allow things to be, rather than fight them or try to change them, they paradoxically lose their grip. Using the allowing polarity sentence, I allow myself to X as much as I do, and I allow myself to the opposite of X as much as I do, we can quickly neutralise a frame that is running us. By frame, we mean a broad description through which we are seeing life. For example, let's take the frame procrastination. Simply saying the phrase, I allow myself to procrastinate as much as I do, and I allow myself to finish things as much as I do, is much more effective than saying I'm going to stop procrastinating. The allowing polarity takes us closer to reality. Nobody is one particular way all the time, and there are always examples in our lives of the opposite of a particular frame. So take a quality about yourself you are resisting, and instead allow it to be through the allowing polarity. This has much more impact if you say it out loud and repeat it a few times until you are really allowing both sides of the polarity.
So let's take the allowing polarity and apply it to money. Now remember, it's really important to say this out loud. You might feel stupid, but it will be effective. So please, take your time to really work with this and say it out loud until you can actually allow yourself on both sides of the polarity. I allow myself to want money as much as I do. I allow myself to reject money as much as I do. I allow myself to want money as much as I do. I allow myself to reject money as much as I do. So using the allowing polarity, and please do come back to it often, will start to loosen the grip that money has on you, leaving you free to focus on what you want. And more of that in part 2 of our money series. So for now, go and get on with it. Free from the grip of money. Okay, PAs, sort the room out. We're the runners. Oh, no, yeah, we're the runners. I'm the runner.